Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. So it's approaching 4 o'clock Saturday afternoon, and the sights and sounds, walking around the town, round the bars, round the pubs, and maybe a little bit of seaside. And we're going to have a walk around and see what we can capture in this glorious weather. It must be nearly 80 degrees in the sun in Blackpool. Black pug. Yeah, so that was the Black Pug room, watching them two dancers, weren't they good? And that was Jasmine from Manchester. So yeah, terrific dancers them two. I didn't catch the guy's name, but yeah. Look at this bike. Look at that for a view, eh? And I live about 3 minutes from here, and I've got that on my doorstep. This is the quiet side of the beach.
Are you with it? Oh my God, yeah!
Right, we're back on the streets now. Had a drink, bit of a refreshment. I'm not going to lie to you, after doing second video The knee's starting to play up now a little bit, but we'll do a little bit more laps around the bars. We'll have a look out to sea, and then I might have to call it a day, I'm afraid. It's always quiet around here till late at night.
Football's delayed today.
I know what you're going to say. And I know
What's he saying?
I don't know. They won't let this girl in. Yeah, they won't let this girl in, I don't know why. Right, let's have a little visit to the seaside, and then I'm going to have one more loop round these bars, and I'm going to have to go home because I'm starting to limp quite badly today. There's a wedding on here. Sneak in. In public, so I can film what I want.
Free try. Are we waiting for one?
That's how I get it. Really excited.
You got to play golf. Watch this. Are you ready? 3, 2. Hey!
Yes, I know the town will be very alive after the football, but I'm too old to do all that, I'm afraid. And you all appreciate it, I know. One for the tower lovers. And as I've said many times, when you sit in that bar, this is what you're looking at. Look at this. Thank you. Oh, I just love this weather.
Your arms are my castle, your heart is my stage by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the something, and every time I kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heartbeat slow? I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
Right, you know where we're heading now? It's all very quiet on Shameless Corner, isn't it? Twice today. And round here, blimey, what's going on? Right, I think that's me done now. I hope you enjoyed this. It's the second video today, so I'm a bit, my knees are buckled now, to be honest with you. Started off all right, but no, not too good at the moment. So thank you to everybody for watching this one and the one before on early Saturday, and all the support and all the new subscribers. And thank you to Jasmine for letting me film her in the Black Pug. And I will catch you all again very soon. Take care for now. Bye bye.